Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now you see we got the dark gray box. You got the 18 in the middle with the circle. What we have is the Air Jordan 18 Retro in Racer Blue and Sale. Now these retail for $225. Is it worth it? I don't know, you tell me. So let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 18 Retro in Racer Blue. Now, after seeing pictures of these, I wasn't really thrilled about them. I'm still not a big fan, but it is what it is, man. Now, they do have some nice suede on the shoe. On the back, you see the Jordan branding on the back with the 9 blocks. See all of the carbon fiber down at the bottom. I mean, it's a dope shoe. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just not a fan of this colorway, man. On the bottom, you see you got the sail and the blue under the bottom. Pretty straight. You see the wings on the side. You see that Jumpman at the beginning. Jumpman on the forefoot. And right here, they usually have a 23, but now they have 4ME on it. I'm not sure what it stands for, so when you find out, let me know. There's a look at the medial side. The back again. Like I said, man, I'm just doing a quick look. I haven't seen anybody do a review on them yet. And make sure y'all go check out the other videos, man, because I'm reviewing the whole pack. You hear me? But looking at the other shoe, man, everything is the same. There's no difference between the two. But I'm still going to give y'all a look at them, man. But this colorway, I'm not too fond of it. Now, after you unbuckle the shroud, you see you got the Jordan branding on the inside. I mean, other than that, man, it's a typical 18, just a new color. Let me know what y'all think about them, man. You feeling them? You're not? You're gonna pass? You're looking to try to get them? Let me know what's up, man. So anyway, that was my look at the Air Jordan 18 Retro in Racer Blue. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504, and I'ma holler back.